Meaning of feet.
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 Feet. Feat is typically short for featuring and is used in the context of music collaborations. When an artist, or group, works together with another artist to create a piece of music, the second artist is often referred to as feat or featuring in the song's title, indicating that they are a featured guest on the track. This helps to promote the collaborating artist and can lead to increased recognition and popularity. An example of this might be the song Blinding Lights, feat. Rosalia, by The Weeknd, which features the Spanish singer-songwriter Rosalia.